Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we meet again in Listening for Academic. Today I will continue about our material that 3 weeks I cannot teach you because there's something problem in my job and I must finish it. But now I will pay about the 3 meeting left, and let's start from skill 9. Listen for almost negative expression. Certain expressions in English have almost negative meanings. These expressions are common in the short dialect. For example, on the recording, you hear, "Woman, were you able to pay the electric bill?" Man, "I have barely enough money." Narrator, what does the man imply? In your textbook, you will read, A. He had plenty of money for the bill. B. He did not have enough money for the bill. C. He paid the bill but has no money left. D. He was unable to pay the bill. In the man's statement, the word enough indicates that there was enough, so he paid the bill. However, it was barely enough, so he almost did not have enough and certainly has no money left. The correct answer is therefore answer C. Yeah. In this question, we can see the clue about almost negative, yeah. Almost. You can see almost same with barely. Barely, it means almost. Barely enough, almost none. Hampir tidak cukup atau hampir tidak punya. And why the answer is C? Because in this sentence, the man actually can pay the electric bill, but after he can pay the bill, he has no money left. Ya. Jadi uangnya itu cukup untuk membayar, tapi setelahnya itu tidak ada. Jadi tidak tersisa. Nah, seperti itu maksudnya almost negatif ya. Barely enough money. Okay, we can see the common almost negative expression, meaning almost none, hampir tidak, almost never, hampir tidak pernah sama sekali ya. Hardly, barely, scarcely, only. This is the expression that have similar meaning with almost none. For example, there is hardly any food in the refrigerator. Hampir tidak ada makanan di kulkas ya. Hampir tidak ada makanan. Jadi mungkin tinggal di dalam kulkas itu tinggal hanya satu makanan saja yang tersisa. Seperti itu ya. Almost never, hampir tidak pernah atau jarang ya. Kalau di sini ekspresinya itu jarang. Jadi mungkin dalam 1 tahun itu bisa dikatakan cuma terjadi 1 kali. He rarely drives to work. Ya, dia jarang berkendara untuk bekerja. Because he usually goes to work by using maybe public transportation, for example, bus or train. Yeah. So it can be concluded that he rarely drives to work. Okay. This explanation for skill 9, and then directly going to skill 10. Listen for negatives with comparatives. Okay. Negatives can be used with comparative in the short dialect of the TOEFL test. A sentence with a negative and a comparative has a superlative or very strong meaning. Example, on the recording you will hear, What do you think about the new student in math class? No one is more intelligent than she is. Narrator, what does the man say about the new student? In your textbook or on the computer screen, you read A. She's not very smart. B. He's smarter than she is. C. Other students are smarter than she is. And D. She is the smartest student in the class. Yeah. Why the answer is D. She is the smartest. Yeah, the smartest. The smartest is the best one. Yeah, the best one. Number one student in the class. In smart. Because no one is more intelligent than she is. Jadi tak seorang pun lebih pintar, ya. Lebih pandai daripada dia. Jadi dia nomor satu. So the answer is she is the smartest student in the class. The man responds to the woman's question with a negative, no, and the comparative, more intelligent. And this combination has a superlative meaning, the smartest. Yeah, if you find combination about negative, no, and comparative degree, more, so it can be concluded that the combination has superlative meaning. It means the blah 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 s, yeah, ending with est, the smartest, the highest, or the cleverest, yeah, etc. The best answer is therefore answer D. The following chart outlines comparisons that you should be careful of when they are used with negatives. Comparatives with negatives. Comparative, more. No one is more beautiful than she is, meaning she is the most beautiful. He couldn't be happier. He is extremely happy. Okay. Now continue to skill 11. Listen for expressions of agreement. Expressions of agreement are common in the short dialogues, so you should become familiar with them. The following example shows agreement with a positive statement. Example from the paper and the computer TOEFL test. On the recording you will hear, I think that the hypothesis is indefensible. Woman, so do I. What does the woman mean? The title is Expression of Agreement. So the answer is A. She is unsure about the hypothesis. B. The hippopotamus is behind the fence. C. She thinks that the hypothesis can be defended. D. She agrees with the man. Yeah, because the meaning of pseudo I means that he or she agree about with the statement. Yeah. So the answer is D. Agree. The expression pseudo I is an expression that shows agreement with a positive statement. So the woman means that she agrees with the man. The best answer is therefore answer D. Other expression I use to show agreement with negative statements. On the recording you will hear, woman, I don't think that our history teacher is very interesting. Man, neither do I. What does the man mean? Uh, this is using negative statement to show agreement. Okay, neither do I, because the statement include something negative. I do not think that, neither do I. So the answer is A. He disagrees with the woman. B. He thinks the story teacher is interesting. C. He shared the woman's opinion. D. He doesn't think the woman's idea is good. The expression "neither do I" is an expression that shows agreement with a negative statement, so the man shares the woman's opinion. The best answer is therefore answer C. Yep. This is the following chart about expression of agreement with positive statement. So do I, me too, I'll say, isn't it? You can say that again. Agreement with negative statement, neither do I don't either. Okay, we will continue to skill 12. Listen for expression of our uncertainty and suggestion. Expression of uncertainty and suggestion are common in the short dialects, so you should become familiar with them. The following example shows an expression of uncertainty. On the recording, you will hear, "Do you know anything about the final exam in physics?" Woman, it's going to be rather difficult, isn't it? What does the woman mean? A. The exam is not going to be too difficult. B. She's positive that it's going to be hard. C. She thinks that it might be hard. She has no idea about the exam. The third question, isn't it? Change a definite statement into a statement that shows uncertainty. So the best answer is one that expresses uncertainty. The best answer to the question is C because the word thinks and might express uncertainty. Ya. Jadi menunjukkan ketidakpastian. Contoh lain ada expression that are common in the short dialects are expression of suggestion. I will never have time to type my paper tomorrow. Woman, why not do it now? What does the woman suggest? In your textbook, on the computer screen, you read, A. Finishing the paper today. Not working on the paper now. C. Never typing the paper. D. Taking time out from the paper now. In this example, the expression why not is an expression of suggestion. Yeah. Suggestion. So the woman suggests doing it now. In the suggestion, the woman is referring to the paper that the man needs to type. So the best answer is answer A. Okay, you just focus on second statement. Yeah, why not do it now? Yeah, you just looking for what is the meaning with the second statement. Why not do it now? So she suggests that the man must finish the paper today, not tomorrow. Yep.